A hairdryer for $450? Man, that sure is a lot. Let's look at it together. Hey, it's Matt here, and today I'm a bit off track, but it's very interesting. You sure heard the brand name Dyson, right? It's a high-tech brand specializing in home appliances with very powerful motors, vacuum cleaners, air purifiers and hair dryers. And that is what I'm gonna talk about today. Unbelievable. I've got my hands on the Dyson Supersonic HD07. Let's open the box and see what's inside. The box contains some useful information about how this device works with all the detailed specifics. On the other side are all the attachments explained. I really like this cut-through graphic of the device. The first thing that pops up is the device itself with a 2.7 meter long and sturdy cable. One thing missing though, a cable strap. Under the device are two boxes with all the attachments: curly hair, straight hair, flyaway attachment, gentle air attachment, wide tooth comb, and that's pretty much it. All these attachments are made out of glass-filled nylon and they are all magnetic, which is great and satisfying when changing them. I'm gonna be a little bit nitpicky here, but a dust bag would be great for a high-end product like this. Unboxing is done, let's look at the machine. Whole product is made out of glass-filled nylon and it weighs almost a kilo. It doesn't only look high-end, it also feels like it. On the bottom of the device is a filter that you can access easily by rotating its cover. You need to clean this filter time to time. Handle has two buttons: on/off and a cold shot button that provides 28 degrees Celsius airflow while holding it. Above these buttons, on the head, you can find 3 levels of airflow control and 4 levels of temperature. When I got this device, the temperature button didn't work properly. It was pushed in, so I've had to wiggle it to get it work. Not something you want to do on a $450 device, right? Anyway, the technology behind this device is what makes it different. Dyson V9 motor that spins around 110,000 RPM, air multiplier technology that allows airflow to be amplified to produce controlled, high-velocity jet of air, and intelligent heat control to prevent extreme heat damage. I've had an idea. Instead of just talking about this device, I've made a little test. I washed my hair and used my regular hairdryer first. It has only 3 levels of speed and no temperature control. I measured the time it took to dry my scalp first. It was 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Then I've attached the diffuser for curly hair and dried them. This process is always a bit boring and it took around 4.5 minutes, so the whole process was almost 7 minutes. My hair wasn't completely dried and because of the lack of temperature control, their quality was ruined. Next, I washed my hair again and used the Dyson. I've set it to the second lowest temperature, which is about 60 Celsius, and lowest speed option to dry my scalp. This took 1 minute and 44 seconds and it was so much better, like I could feel where the scalp is wet because of the airflow. Then I attached the magnetic diffuser and dried the hair. Temperature was still same, but I've played with the airflow speed. It took almost 5 minutes, so the time difference is not that significant, but the quality of my hair after drying without using any hair product is absolutely huge. My hair was so fine. I can imagine the long-term benefits with the Dyson. Conclusion: this device is absolutely something nice to have, not need to have. If you are a professional in hair business, definitely get one. It will speed up your workflow and make your work easier. My barber has had one for 5 years without any problems. I've looked at this product for years and I always told myself that's a really dope piece of tech. But why would I buy one? It is so expensive. And yet, I'm holding one in my hand, still thinking that it's expensive and totally unnecessary for your home. Unless you have the money to buy it and you want your hair drying process to be a bit quicker and more professional. High-end product with a high-end design and high-end price. Now it's up to you to decide if you need it or want it. Let me know your thoughts and experiences with this product in the comment section below. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. I upload every Monday. Oh, and check out my Instagram for more content. Thanks for watching and see you soon.